A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Nursery, subject Maths. So, students, how are you? You are fine. Very good. I am fine. So, today we will learn again how to draw a zero. Okay, आज हम वापस zero कैसे draw करना learn करेंगे. Okay, so now take out your pencil. Take out your pencil and eraser. Now what you have to do? You have to hold your pencil like this. Okay, आपको ऐसे pencil पकड़ना है. Okay, now put your pencil on the top of a line like this. Okay, ऐसे line के ऊपर आपको pencil रखना है so that we will start how to draw a zero. Okay, now let me teach you how to draw a zero. You have to draw a half curve. Okay, and then another half curve. This is zero. Very good. अब वापस हम ऐसे हाफ कर्व बनाएंगे. So this is zero. Very good. Again repeat with me. Half curve. See? Now another half curve. What number is this? This is zero. Very good. Again, half curve. Another half curve. What number is this? Zero. Very good. Again, half curve. Another half curve. This is zero. Very good. ये कौन सा नंबर है? Zero. Again, half curve. Half curve. Zero. Repeat with me. Half curve. Half curve. Zero. What number is this? Zero. Again, half curve. Another half curve. But you tell me what number is this? This is zero. ये कौन सा number है? Zero. Okay. Now again, from top to the bottom, half curve. Another half curve. Zero. Okay. Again, half curve and a half curve. Zero. Very good. You are learning, right? Again, half curve. It looks like a C, right? It looks like a C. Now another half curve. This is zero. Again, half curve. Half curve. Zero. Very good. Again, repeat with me. Half curve. Half curve. What number is this? Zero. कौन सा number है? Zero. Very good. Again, half curve. Half curve. Zero. Very good. Again, half curve. Half curve. Zero. Very good. The last one, repeat with me. Half curve. Half curve. Zero. ये कौन सा number है? Zero. What number is this, बच्चों? This is zero. Okay. As you have learned the numbers, that is the counting numbers, that is 0. So what you will do at home, you have to practice how to draw a 0. Okay, आपको घर पे होमवर्क में क्या करना है, 0 ड्रॉ करने के लिए प्रैक्टिस करना होगा. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इन वन पेज. ओके, आपको ऐसे पेज में प्रैक्टिस करना है हाउ टू ड्रॉ अ 0. वेरी गुड. So till then, do practice at home, and then after practicing you have to click a picture and send it to the school WhatsApp number. Okay, उसके बाद होमवर्क करने के बाद आपको पिक्चर क्लिक करना है और स्कूल की जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर है आपको उसमें सेंड करना है. ओके, टिल देन टेक केयर एंड थैंक यू.